Endometritis etiology and treatment methods of livestock animals. By Ganiv I. M. Birulia V. Tremesova A. M. Musin R. Idiotov I. Eroshin A. I. Shakirova, Safarova E. R. and Zvereva, Zinatova L. N. This study reviews the causes of pet disease endometritis and assesses the effectiveness of different treatment options. Endometritis is an inflammatory process of the uterine mucosa, endometrium, which is polyeciological in nature and is widespread. The main sources of inflammatory diseases in the uterus in farm animals are contamination of the genitals of livestock caused by pathogenic and opportunistic types of microorganisms, violation of feeding rules and conditions of detention, endocrine system disorder, weakening of the general reactivity and resistance of the body, as well as violation of metabolic processes. Pathology of reproductive organs in animals is one of the main reasons that affect the rate of reproduction of the herd and milk productivity, reduce the number of lactation, and lead to premature culling of the animal. Treatment of any inflammatory processes in agriculture, including endometritis, must be timely, comprehensive, safe, and effective. For the therapy and prevention of endometritis, complex drugs, regimens, and additional methods of treatment have been developed, which include several areas such as adequate antibiotic therapy, general and local, hormonal treatment, biotherapy, reflexology, Novocaine blockade therapy, physiotherapy, etc. The data on the effectiveness of these treatments are quite contradictory and diverse. According to literary sources, 1 day of infertility in farm animals causes great economic damage to livestock. This is due to the lost offspring of young animals, the cost of treatment and livestock maintenance, thereby reducing the profitability and increasing the cost of production in animal husbandry. Of all farm animals, most pigs need vitamins and minerals, which is associated with their rapid growth and development. The main cause of the disease is a lack of iron in the body. Complex and timely therapy can cure both acute and chronic endometritis in sheep and restore their productivity, provided that veterinary intervention is applied promptly and treatment begins immediately. Also, during lambing, it is necessary to remove lochia in time and prevent the arrest of the afterbirth. And if the genitals are injured during childbirth, provide veterinary assistance in time. Therefore, if animals are treated in a timely manner, a positive prognosis can be expected. Analysis of the available literature indicates widespread endometritis in different species of farm animals. Acute inflammation of the uterine mucosa causes a huge economic loss, especially in dairy complexes. For this reason, special attention should be paid to the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of obstetric and gynecological diseases. Therefore, the identification of etiological factors, the clarification of the clinic of the disease, as well as the development of effective methods and methods of treatment to prevent endometritis has become the subject of hard work for domestic and foreign scientists. Defective offspring or pathology during childbirth and the postpartum period in farm animals is widespread, despite the efforts of well-known scientists and practitioners, which means that the problem remains relevant, and therefore the search for new ways, schemes, and methods that stimulate the body's defenses for the prevention of genital diseases is in demand. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.